Hey guys, so this is going to be a short tutorial on how to jailbreak an iPhone so that you can do all these cool stuff with your iPhone. And see, even my lock screen has something different in it. My dock is like the iPad, you have recent apps here, you got these cool animations, you got a theme, you got a hacked WhatsApp where you can freeze your last scene, you can go online and no one will know you're online. You can not only disable read receipts, but you can also disable double ticks, like the person will get only one tick but the message will be delivered to you. You can delete messages that are a year old. You can read messages that people have tried to delete on their end. And even my Instagram is hacked. I got many features on my Instagram. For example, I can just download images, I can open DPs and stuff like that. And also I got, it's very annoying that iPhone doesn't have a feature where you can just dismiss a call without letting the person know that you cut their call. It always messes up with. So now suppose if I'm trying to call my mom, sorry, the call comes down here. So even if you're playing any game like PUBG or something, you can always dismiss the call here, but the call is still on, so you are not interrupted while playing the game. This is a very cool feature that I think Apple should implement in their next release. Okay, so now let's move on to how to jailbreak your iPhone. Okay, so now before we start the tutorial, I just want to let you guys know that this will work only if you are on iOS 12.2.1 or below. If you are above that version, then please do not try this, it will just mess up your iPhone. Also, if you're jailbreaking your iPhone, you're doing this at your own risk. If something goes wrong, do not put the blame on me. And also just take a backup of your data so that if something goes wrong again, you can just use iTunes and restore your iPhone to back to where it was. Okay, so now let's move forward. Okay, so now jailbreaking your iPhone is very easy. The first thing that you need to do is go to Safari and go to this URL. It's ignition.fun. I'll mention the link in the description so you can just refer that. Now once you're on this site, just click on install now and wait for the prompt to install the app. You can see the app starts installing over here. Okay, so now you can see the Ignition app has been installed. So now when you try to open it, it gives you this error, the untrusted enterprise developer error. So to solve this, you just need to go to settings, go to general, scroll down to device management, and you will see enterprise app permission over here. Let's just trust it. Now I have the name Yum Restaurants, but it is not necessary that you will have the same name. It can be anything. Just click on it and see if it says Ignition and just verify it and trust it. Once you trust it, go to Ignition, it will open. Now you need to go to the second icon below here, the folder icon. In that, go to Jailbreak, wait for this to load, and go scroll down to Uncover Official. Now this is the jailbreak for iOS 11 to iOS 12.2.1. Also, if you want to jailbreak your iPhone that runs iOS 10, you can use the Yalu jailbreak. So now as I am on iOS 12, I'm going to use this. I'll just click on get and install. You can see this too starts getting installed over here. Okay, so now you can see that the Uncover app has been installed. Now when you try to open it, in my iPhone it will open automatically because I already have trusted it, but when you try to open this, it will give that same untrusted app developer. So again, you need to go to settings and trust the developer of the app. So now you go open the Uncover app, and all you need to do is click on jailbreak. Now before you jailbreak, there are some things that you need to do. One important thing that you need to do is go to settings and make sure that you are on you are on iOS 12.1.2 or below. Also at the same time, you need to make sure that, now see what happens is, Apple has released iOS 12.3, 12.4, and now they are going to release iOS 13. So what happens is iOS automatically downloads the software and keeps it in the storage. So now that can interfere with your jailbreak process. So you need to go to general, iPhone storage, and just wait for this to load, and below you will see the software being downloaded. Like it will say iOS 12.3 software downloaded, so you just need to click on that and delete it from there. Once you're done with that, you're good to go. So go to uncover and just click on jailbreak. So there you go, my iPhone is jailbroken. Okay, so once you get this, that means your jailbreak is completed. So now what happens over here is, now the first time when you try to jailbreak your iPhone, it may reboot your phone. That is, you may get the Apple logo and it will reboot your phone. Don't worry, this takes multiple attempts, like it won't happen in the first try. I had to try literally 5 times to jailbreak my iPhone. So once you get here, just click on OK, and you can see you'll get this symbol. This is the respring symbol. If you get this, means your iPhone is successfully jailbroken. Now just wait for this to come on. You can see it is trying to scan my face. The Face ID is trying to scan my face. So there you go, my iPhone is jailbroken. You can see this is a custom tweak. Okay, so now I had an app installed, and that's how I knew that my iPhone is jailbroken. But how will you guys know that your iPhone has been jailbroken? So it's as simple as that. Just search for this app, the Cydia app. If you have this app on your iPhone, that means your iPhone is jailbroken. And Cydia has all the installed tweaks that I have. You guys will have to install all these one by one, and I'll make a tutorial on how to install the jailbreak tweak soon. Okay, so now as we are done with the jailbreak tutorial video, I know you guys want me to make a tutorial on how to install these tweaks. So I'll be making a separate video on each and every tweak that I have, like the Instagram, the WhatsApp, this theme, the call bar thing, and I'll make a separate video for each and every tweak so that you guys won't have a problem installing them. So stay tuned. Thank you.